What is a hybrid program? A hybrid management program, which is based on a blended learning model, combines traditional on-campus classes with online learning. In today's fast-paced world, professionals like you need a program that adapts to your schedule. That's why Pune Institute of Business Management brings you a unique learning experience that combines the best of the both worlds, the PGDM Hybrid Program. What is PIBM's PGDM Hybrid Program? PIBM's PGDM Hybrid is an academic program that combines the flexibility of online learning with the benefit of 30 to 45 days of campus immersion program, which includes physical on-campus classes, workshops, and certification programs. So, what is the curriculum like? Well, the PGDM Hybrid program by Pune Institute of Business Management covers the core specializations same as a full-time MBA program, such as finance, marketing, business analytics. If you are interested in learning more about the PIBM's PGDM Hybrid program with blended learning, please visit our website or get in touch with us today.